Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video. I only got 9 subscribers. I need more so I can start doing more. Today I got my second Jeffree Star mystery box. I got the premium. First one I had the deluxe. I was happy with the deluxe. But today I'm going to open my second Jeffree Star mystery box. And as you see, I never freaking opened it till freaking right now. Ooh, it's got blue paper. I guess to go with a bluish box. Okay. That's pretty. I get the tie-dye hat. Those in the mystery box. That's pretty cool. Ooh. And then I got this pop sockets, pop grip, phone grip and stand. The tie-dye color. Let's see. Give me 1 second. Let's see. I got the gloss in beaded glass. On my deluxe one, I had tabletop. I think this is so pretty how it has the whatever that's supposed to be on it. It's kind of like a sparkly color. I don't know if you can barely freaking see it. I'm on a laptop doing the video. I know the other one I did for the deluxe one, there was people saying that they couldn't hear it. Hopefully you can hear it this time because I'm speaking louder, even though I don't like the sound of my voice on video or any recording. Let's see, I got this Velour liquid lipstick in Christmas cookie. I guess it's kind of like a nude color, I guess you would say. And that right there is this Christmas cookie. Now I'm just going to swatch the lipsticks and all that. I'm not going to, whatever the thing is in here. Let's see, I got this Jeffree Star Cosmetic Velour Lip Scrub in strawberry gum. Extremely yum, edible. Lick away a right puff of a tissue. Oh wow, that is Velour Lip Scrub and strawberry gum. See that? I guess it's edible, however you want to pronounce it. Oh my god, that smells so good. I'm gonna eat the whole jar of this. It's kind of like brownish color. Oh my god, it is free. It smells really, really good. Strawberry gum. For some reason, my computer froze on me. And I guess that's all with it. Now, I got this. I guess it's a palette, I guess. Oh wow, it comes in a blue box. Blue blood? Oh wow, that is cool. I guess it's supposed to be kind of like a coffin or a box or something. What it has in here. Oh wow, Ocean Ice. Undertaker. Yeah, that's funny. Undertaker, when I saw the Undertaker name, it kind of reminded me of the wrestler, the Undertaker. These don't really smell like anything. All I can smell up my nose, is this strawberry gum lip scrub that smells so good. And that's all I got in this mystery box. I'm pretty happy with it. You know, this is my second one, so I don't know that much about the Jeffree Star stuff. Not bad for my second purchase of Jeffree Star. Well, I guess that's it of this video. If you like it, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you. Bye. Peace.